Okay, today we do the unboxing of the new Shark Uplight vacuum that we got. This is Shark Uplight. This goes on top of the handle. And it's pretty heavy. Okay, today we do the unboxing of the new Shark Uplight vacuum that we got. It's got a corded lift away, so you can do some stairway. And the model number is LZ60131. Shark Uplight. Made in China. Shark Ninja Company. We bought it direct from Shark Ninja.
What, this thing?
And
Thing
this,
here? And
so this was in a box, and this was in the box with it. This is the handle.
I know how they adjust it now. Probably because the sound. I saw a video of it and I was like, what?
It is. Shark Multiflex.
No.
Oh, got that? Okay, good. We shall cut it. Everything's taped.
The cutting. The cutting.
There you go.
Oh,
Show
wow.
that to the camera.
Wow.
We'll find out. Oh, that's part of the vacuum for the stairway, baby. But you can also use it for vacuuming up here like this. That's what I saw in the, how to get to that. Okay, take it over there. Okay, here's the main box.
And the seats. Oh, wait.
There is
That's not the same.
the box in
No,
the
it's not
box
the same.
again.
This is a new one. The other one was the Rocket. This is Shark Uplight.
The box in the box. Oh my God, it's so hard.
It's a box in a box in a box, by the way. Why did they put 3 packages on this stupid thing? There you go. Back into a straight.
Let's dry it out. Looks like it.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Because our old vacuum is broken.
Where did you put those back?
There it is.
It's in the closet. The vacuum that deep cleans. Good for pets. For hair wrap. Uplight, corded lift away, full size vacuum power, ultralight lift away pod. Better overall cleaning, hyper velocity, accelerated suction power, more suction, yes. Self cleaning brush roll. That's pretty much it.
Unboxing, other unboxing.
Everything was boxed. We
It's
bought this
box in the
direct.
box.
I twisted the thing. And
There
then
it is.
rotated it.
There's the quick guide on the box.
Yep.
And a manual,
Good job.
owner's guide. Yep, looks pretty good. Okay. Take the pieces out one at a time. There's the vacuum part.
There it is. Wow.
Rotated thing. Wow.
I'll open it. Let's see. Another part of the handle.
This is how you work. Oh my gosh, you can do it.
Yep, almost.
Now, for payback,
These are tools.
and that.
Tool holder. More tools, a brush. Nothing in there.
Oh,
Be on top of the handle like that?
Why this is furry?
How'd he get in there?
I don't know. I sneakily got in there.
There you go.
Yikes.
That's it.
it.
Let's put the pieces together. I
Yep.
mean, on the floor so we can get a picture. So this is the vacuum. All the pieces that come with it.
Yep, there is.
Heaviest part is in the middle.
This goes on top of the handle. And it's pretty heavy. Didn't know it was that heavy. We'll see. So we're gonna put it together and be right back. Okay, here we go. Here's the main part of the vacuum. This thing here, according to the instructions, just clicks right in. Good, so that's on.
A wheel in the back.
Now it shows it straight. Don't look like me. Yep, there you go. These wheels pop out the back. Look at that.
Wow.
Okay, next is this. I'm gonna need you to hold it, RJ. This is heavy. Looks like this. Click it in. Oh, wait, it's not straight. Click. There's the cord. Looks pretty
Wow.
long.
Why is this so giant? It's bigger than me. Almost.
Next
You almost pointed it out.
is the attachments. So it's pretty much almost done. The attachments go where? Right under here. Nope.
Okay guys, that's it, the unboxing.